How to fix Rainbow 6 extraction no compatible driver hardware found on Windows. 1. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Verify game files. 2.1 Ubisoft Connect PC. 2.2 Epic Games. 2.3 Steam. 3. Make sure your system is up to date. 4. Disable the integrated GPU via Device Manager. 5. For NVIDIA users, force disable AMD switchable graphics. Enter the following info into environment variables: variable name, disable _layer_AMD_switchable_graphics_1 variable value, 1.